Hello, my fellow Warp enjoyers. I'm Alex, and this is a quick local installation guide for WarpFusion. Firstly, you have to open the guide, link to which is in the description, and download Git and Conda installers. We install Git first. Just double-click the installer file and then click Next and Yes in any dialog windows. And then we install Conda. The same thing here, just click Next and Yes everywhere. Use the default path. We will be storing our environment inside the Warp folder, not in Conda install path. After we installed it in Conda, we create a folder for our Warp install. I've called mine Warp tutorial. Then we'll go back to the README page and download 2 bat files into our Warp folder, prepare end relative and run relative. And then go to the Warp folder and run prepare on relative bat file first. And it will create a basic environment for us to start our local server. After it finishes, you'll find a new in folder inside the Warp folder. And then we double click on the run relative file. This will launch our local server. After our server is launched, we go back to the README and follow the link to Google Colab. Click File, Upload Notebook. Wait, we don't have the notebook to upload yet. Go to my Patreon and navigate to the latest Patreon post available to you that has an attached IPYNB file. Save this file to the Warp folder, and then we can go back to Colab and upload the notebook file. After that, we click connect to a local runtime. Now we go back to our server console and copy the localhost server URL with access token. Paste it into the Colab, and voila. After that, you click runtime, run all. Sit back and relax. Not really though, as you will still have to set up paths for your init video and model, but that's a whole other story. Hope you like this A-generated voiceover. That's all for today. Have a nice day and see you next time.